Hi guys, so it's me again. Please don't forget to like and share. And today we are going to show you how to make a really delicious ham. So I'm just going to make my glaze. So the glaze is a combination of sugar, water, and honey. I don't have any measurement for that. And of course, it's Camila's approved. She said it's ready to go. That's a really nice cat. And now I'm just brushing my ham with the glaze, and I'm going to transfer in the oven for at least 45 minutes, and we are going to glaze it glaze it for every 5 minutes. So while waiting, I'm just making my salad. So the dressing, it's made of olive oil, balsamic, oregano, and salt and pepper. So while waiting, so after 45 minutes guys, the ham is ready and it's really delicious, and I wish I can share with you guys. And it's I like the glaze, it's so easy, it's so budget. So that's all guys, thank you so much for watching, see you soon.